Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at S&P 500 for the week, right? So those of you that are yet to subscribe, beg you, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Just subscribe, like, and share. So in order to predict this price for this week on this S&P 500, we would have to analyze it from the higher time frame downward to the forward time frame. So the reason is that we'll be able to understand this movement and why we'll be making such move this week. First of all, you can see previously, let's take a look at this level, during this 2016, during the year of 2016, you can see that this S&P 500 have been giving us a bullish move. You can see S&P 500 2016, we had a bullish move. 2017, it was a bullish move. 2018, it was a bullish move. 2019, a bullish move. 2020, a bullish move. 2021, it was a bullish move, right? Then it got to 2022, right? That was when we started having that bearish move. But prior to 2022, price was trading above this 10 period moving average. Now, those of you that don't really know much about this moving average is that once your price is above the moving average, then definitely that is a buy movement, especially if you're a position trader, you want to trade long term using your monthly time frame and you sit above your 10 period moving average, then definitely that is a buy movement. But once the year 2022 came in, then we started having that bearish move. You can clearly see that this price has been dropping, till the year ended of 2022. Now, next week that we are predicting for will be January, which is next year. We would also continue that bearish move. That is one. See, price is still bearish, one, and you can also see still trading below this 10 period moving average. So, will I say fortunately or unfortunately, this price will continue that same way, till market is able to correct itself or stabilize itself. If not, we will continue to see that bearish move. Now, take a look at this S&P. So you will see this to be a drop, and you will take a look at this to be a pullback, and you will take a look at this to be a drop on S&P. Then this should be seen as a pullback. You can now take a look at this to be a drop again. And what do you get next? A pullback. After this pullback, what do you expect? Of course, we expect a further bearish move. So this month that you are seeing, which is bearish, is the month of December, right? And you see, the month of October, we actually opened and closed bullish on S&P. The month of November, we opened and closed bullish. Now, this is the month of December, and price has given us a bearish move. So that is to tell you that more bearish move is to come. So we closed bearish this the month of December, which is the last month for the year for 2022. Now, next year, which is January 2023, by the time the month end, have it in mind that it will end in a bearish movement. You should be able to see, red movement. So, however, you can also still see its price still below the 10 period moving average. So, guys, whatever you would want to do, you would want to go ahead and sell on this S&P. And one of the reasons why we are seeing this bearish move on S&P 500 is majority of our stocks are like bearish. You can see once all these stocks are dropping, then definitely you will see a drop on S&P 500. Now that should take us to the weekly time frame. Now, before you want to place a trade, right, you want to ask yourself some questions, right? And one of those questions you would want to ask yourself is, what is the trend for this movement that I want to trade? Markets do make three movements. We all know that. It's either is giving us an uptrend move, it is either giving us a downtrend move, or it is either giving us a ranging market move. So what you clearly can see on this S&P 500 is a bearish move. So during this pullback, we talked about having a bullish move to come to tap this level, right? If you were following consistently, you would have seen how we talked about price getting to about 4,100, even breaking above it, right? So price got to that level, and after that, we talked about having a drop on S&P 500. So ever since then, we've been having a drop, right? So after this drop, what do you expect? We expect a further drop, by the way. We expect a further drop on S&P 500 that will take out this lows, right? This is one of the days why I said to the month of January, we'll continue to get our bearish move. But with the price just give us that drop like that, definitely not. We would want to see kind of like a drop, then a pullback should, like play out here. Once the pullback plays out, then we should get another drop. So as at this level here, that's kind of, is it pin bar, will I call it, that you are seeing here? that is showing in it. You can kind of like sit as a pullback if you want. After this movement, what do you expect? Be expecting more drop to be made on S&P. You can also see it is still trading below this 10 period moving average, right? So when you take zoom it out, you can clearly see the trend for S&P 500. Clearly, this is a bearish move. Now see this movement on S&P 500. So if you take a look at this to be a drop and you see this to be a pullback, then you take a look at this to be a new drop that broke its previous lows, right? And here will be seen as a pullback. Now a new drop has been made that broke this previous lows, and you cannot take this to be a pullback. After this pullback, you'll be expecting a new drop that will take out these lows. This is one of the reasons why, if you're a position trader, I think this is the best time to actually go ahead and sell. So at least by January, February, right? I believe price should have given us a new lower lows, which will be more visible on the weekly time frame. So this type of trade is for mostly for position traders like us. You can go ahead and sell by month or by time January end or February. We should be able to take out these lows, so we will see this to be a drop. I'll repeat again. This to be a pullback. After the pullback, you will consider this a drop. So as long as your price is below your 10 period moving average on the weekly time frame, I'll say it again. As long as your price is trading below your 10 period moving average on the weekly time frame, then definitely you should go ahead and sell. It will not make sense for you to go ahead and buy. You should just watch out for an opportunity to go ahead and sell. That should not take us to the daily time frame. So like I said, we would want to zoom it out again, know the trend for the what we would want to trade. You can see the trend, a downtrend move, right? So let's see this movement here, right? You can see clearly this is a downtrend move. We can now take a look at this to be a pullback, which is more visible, which is which we can see, which we can really tell on the weekly time frame. Now let's take a look at this movement on the daily time frame. So see this movement here. We had a drop and we consider this to be a pullback. We had another drop and we saw this to be a pullback, right? Then price is kind of like, will I say double bottom, kind of tapping this level, right? But anyway, if you notice this level, this close, this candlestick wick here actually broke this previous candlestick wick here. That can tell you like maybe you can see it as a new lows has been formed. If you want to see it that way, then you will see this to be a pullback, now kind of like a drop has been made, which has not taken out these lows. So we will see this to be an up movement. So let's see if this price will come up again to come take out this huge candlestick wick you can see here. So I believe S&P 500 should give us a little bit of a bullish move. After that bullish move, then we should get that drop. So above all, this week that we are talking about, right? This week that we are predicting for S&P 500 will definitely give us a close bearish, no doubts about that. But before we kind of get that bearish move, I think price will actually rise up a little bit, kind of give us like a bit of a bullish move and kind of like serve like a double top, right? Do you want to see it kind of give us like a double top before price drops? So I just don't know. Let's see if this week we'll be able to take out this level. One in this week, if you can't take it, if you can't take out this level this week, then upper week we should need to take it. At least maximum in 2 weeks, we should see S&P 500 withdraw to take out this lows. So anyhow, I'm still seeing this S&P 500 as a bearish move. Now let me see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So you can see on the 4 hour time frame, price is kind of like call it ranging, right? You can see price came to this same level. One, it's rejected, dropped to the same level, rejected twice, came close to this same level, right? This is one of the places where I'm highlighting this level and I want us to watch out for it. Now this price has gone up, right? So I believe this price will come up a bit and you know kind of give us like a double top. Like I once said on the daily time frame, if you go to the daily time frame, I told you guys this S&P 500 should go up a little bit, tap here, kind of gives like a little bit of a rejection or like a double top before it drops down to this support. And again, I said it within this week, we should be able to take out these lows or in 2 weeks' time, within 2 weeks' time, right? If you can't take it out this week, then the upper one we should be able to take it out on this S&P 500. Anyhow, this 4 hour time frame, you would want to see something like a rate, would I say call it ranging market move on the 4 hour time frame, right? You kind of see like a drop to the support level and again to our resistance. Then we saw a drop to our support level. You can now see a movement to our resistance level. Then you can see it drop to the support level. What do you expect? You expect a movement to the resistance level. Once you get to this resistance level that I'm talking about, then we should actually see a drop again. So this week, I believe we should be able to take it out on S&P 500. Once price can take it out, then I believe price will actually break this close and continue the bearish move. But first, we need to hit this target on S&P 500 for the week.